Guys, I'm home. I'm busy here. Cleaning outside, cleaning inside, not yet finished. And our fiesta is this coming June naman, November 30. So, this is our home. Home, sweet home. So, that is the cacao tree. It's like a Christmas tree. I put light there last night. That's why I'm so busy. Sana, Rex? Ayaw. Sa to? Ano man I love tea. So, I'm cooking our lunch. Late lunch na. Uy. This is the province life. Firewood. Papa stock firewood for our fiesta. Never mind the color of our kettle, because that's the original color. If you use the firewood, so that's the color of the kettle, black. Hay nako, ang init-init. May mga halaman pa din naman akong natitira. Ang iba na tsugi na.
Maayo god. Ikaw antoy. Ansa. Aku antoy.
I hope I can live, guys. But our internet connection is not good. So, I don't know if I can live this coming fiesta. So, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.